there, my name is Suzette with Simply Schedule Appointments, also called SSA for short. Today we will spend the next 5 minutes getting acquainted with 4 different support options you can take advantage of right now when you find unexpected behavior or need assistance troubleshooting. First, once on your WordPress dashboard, select Appointments, then Support. You'll notice in the SSA admin there is a persistent green navigation bar at the top. This will give you access to all the features of Simply Schedule Appointments. While viewing this SSA dashboard, you can get back to the WordPress admin by clicking on this back left arrow. For this tutorial, we will be focusing on the Support tab. This is not a typical support tab, but a magical portal that provides a snapshot of your site with diagnostic information about your plugins, system configurations, WordPress, and other settings. You will be alerted on this screen if anything needs your attention. Right now, all of these statuses are green, but you may see errors if they exist here, so it's a good place to check if things aren't working as expected. Another thing to note here at the bottom of the Support tab is that you can enable debugging logs. You would only want to do this if you are a developer because, as like many logs, they are very technical. So best to leave disabled unless you are looking for something specific or have been instructed to enable logging. The second place you'll want to look for more information is in the Sidebar Help Guide section located in the top right sidebar. There you will find a context-sensitive listing of relevant articles, meaning that the list will change depending on what you are doing. For example, settings, you see the list has changed, and then back to support. Also in this same section, you'll notice that there's a Visit Help Center link in the top right, and this will allow you access to a treasure trove of comprehensive documentation on the web. You can search by keyword or question, browse common issues, FAQ, or finish setting up your installation. Next, if you have come to a crossroads, we can help. You may contact our support team by clicking on the green Contact Support Team button. You will be presented with a contact form, so type as much as you'd like in this area. You will also have the option of including appointment types and important diagnostic information from the Support tab, which can help in troubleshooting further. To maintain privacy, appointments and contact info are never included, and all client information is kept strictly private. After sending, a modal will pop up and let you know the latest time you will hear back from us on your concern. Turnaround time is generally within 1 business day from the time of submission, but usually you will receive an email response before that time. The last tool, the Availability Detective, is a beta, but it can still provide useful information when troubleshooting availability and booking times. You may access it in 2 different ways, when booking an appointment in the admin or when setting up a new appointment type. To utilize this tool when booking a new appointment, go to Appointments and then click on a Book an Appointment tab. Look for the Availability Detective link at the very bottom and click it. It will give you a status or let you know if there is some other reason meeting could not be booked, so you may take corrective action. Let's go ahead and do one. We're going to troubleshoot consultation phone call, pick a date in the future and a time, and you see it's available. If it was not available, you would be given information about why it wasn't available, whether it was booked by somebody else or if there was a buffer from a previous appointment. You can also access it when editing or setting up a new appointment type. So to do that, go to Appointment Types, select Consultation Phone Call, and then you'll want to scroll down to the Availability section. Scroll down in that section to the blue box, and there you will have a link to the Availability Detective. We have reviewed the Support tab and how it is important for gaining insight and diagnosing and troubleshooting problems. We also cover the contextual sidebar help guides with link to comprehensive documentation on the web. And we have shown you how to reach out if you still have a concern or question. Also excited to share the availability detective in determining the cause of time not being bookable. I hope I have set your mind at ease and let you know that we are there for you every step of the way. Please let us know if you have any suggestions on how to improve or anything that you feel we have missed. Have a good day and book some clients.